After making this soup, I have found a new appreciation for butternut. It has a sweet flavor which makes it amazing in soups. This is a delicious, creamy butternut soup. The ingredients are carrots, butternut, leek, garlic, and onion. Anyone who's wondering, pumpkin and butternut are kind of the same. They're from the squash family, making them kind of like siblings. Peel and chop your butternut. Be careful not to chop your fingers. Remove the seeds and you can roast and snack on them. In a hot sufuria, place your onions and leek and some oil and some butter for flavor. Once the onions are cooked, add in your crushed garlic. And add in 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, which whether you can use for almost any dish. Then mix everything up. Add in your diced carrots and the butternut. Remember to season with salt. I didn't have fresh chilies on hand, so I used this chili from Chica Chica. It adds such a great punch and flavor to the food. You should definitely try it. Add in beef broth, then cover and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes or until the butternut is soft. I got this blender from Broadwell Technologies. You can check their Facebook page. It's a very convenient piece. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can add everything in your blender. Once you're happy with the consistency, add in some cream. Let it simmer for a minute or two, and voila! You have the perfect, healthy soup to keep you warm and full. Have it on its own with some bread. I mean, really, it's all up to you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy!